Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find the SWIFT code of United Commercial Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find SWIFT code of United Commercial Bank, the first thing that you can do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in United Commercial Bank SWIFT code. Now once you hit search, the code will be displayed right here, which is UCB LBDDHXXX, and you can also simply tap on this link, which is United Commercial Bank bi-weekly, and once you scroll down, the SWIFT code will be given right here. The next method that you can use is by simply logging to your online banking or mobile banking as well, by simply tapping by opening your browser once again, and on the search bar type in United Commercial Bank login. Then tap on the first link that is shown to you. Now here what you need to do is select your individual banking or cooperative banking, and then once you do that, enter in the user ID and the password, then tap on sign in. Now inside, look for international transfers or wire transfers, and your SWIFT code will generate right there. Now you can also check bank documents as well. Look at your bank statement or account info PDF. The SWIFT or BIC code may appear under international transfer details. If the next method that you can use is used by official bank resource by contacting UCB support and emailing at info@ucb.com.vd, and they can confirm SWIFT info for your specific branch. If you don't have a branch specific code, using UCBLPDDH often works, but confirm with the recipient or bank first to avoid details. You also usually need the recipient's full name, account number, and sometimes branch address when sending funds internationally. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.